Hello, my name is Yelena and I'm an interior design lecturer at Raffles Design Institute Jakarta. Welcome to our interior design workshop. We are hoping that by taking part in it, you will get a glimpse at what interior designers do and hopefully spark your interest in this amazing profession. Today, you will be designing a master bedroom. But before you start, allow me to walk you through a process of making a layout and introduce you to mood boards, which are an interior designer's go-to tool for the initial planning of a space. So, let's get started.
Before discussing your today's assignment, let's take a look at mood board or concept board as it is called as well. Mood board is a visual presentation of style, mood and color of the future space. A client looking at a concept board presented by an interior designer must be able to understand the overall feel and look of the room. The mood board features the concept. These include a collection of pictures that show the basic idea of what a designer plans to accomplish in the project. Now the question is what to include in your mood board. In your mood board you can include color palettes, furniture pieces, material samples, details, concept and inspiration images, lighting, and so on and so on. When it comes to presentation styles, you can go two ways. One of them is using a template, which features an organized inspiration board of color palettes, materials, and pictures, and it can be rather formal in design. The other way, and the way that you're going to do it today, is a collage. It is a quick way to get your mood board ready. You can simply create a collage of all the pictures, materials, and ideas. For your better understanding of what your assignment is going to be like, let's take a look at a few examples of finished mood boards. So let's take a look at your today's assignment. You will be designing a master bedroom and you are required to design the layout of a bedroom by using the furniture images provided, or you can find them yourself from the internet. Also, you will be creating a mood board or a concept board, as we discussed already, which is supposed to represent your design concept in form of a collage. So I will now demonstrate how to create a layout of a bedroom. So what you see here is a floor plan of the bedroom. Size is 5 times 6 meters. Scale is 1:50, meaning that this room here is 50 times smaller than the actual room, obviously for the obvious reasons to fit our paper. What you need to do is select furniture pieces you find appropriate for your design. On the right, just simply drag them and drop on your layout. Position them as you find appropriate. So if you're looking for a queen size bed, and then maybe some nightstands on both sides of the bed, simply drag them and drop them and position where you think is suitable. Then maybe I can select one of the area rugs. I can go for a maybe a two-seater. Maybe a floor lamp in a corner, and so on. You don't have to use all the furniture pieces that you have here. Again, this will depend on your design. You can also add a coffee table, you can add a wardrobe, you can add a side chair or an office desk, and so on and so on. Once you have finalized your layout, it's time to move on to creating a design concept by forming a mood board. What you will find in this PPT is a selection of images that are grouped in different categories. As you can see, there are different types of furniture and accessories suitable for bedrooms to choose from. However, you can also find ones yourselves from the internet. What you need to do is simply select the piece of furniture you like, starting off with inspiration images, which basically should tell the story about the overall mood you're aiming for in your design. So, for example, I can start off with simply images of that evoke feelings of summer and beach, and probably aiming for a tropical kind of a design. Then I'll be selecting other pieces of furniture that I simply copy and paste onto my mood board, starting off with, of course, a bed, then maybe some smaller pieces of furniture like a puff or some light fixtures, this pendant lamp that is in a similar style. The important thing is that when choosing pieces of furniture, they all should tell the same story. They should be compatible in terms of color scheme and materials. Eventually you can end up with something looking pretty much like this. Arrange images on the mood board as you find suitable. I hope you will enjoy this assignment, and I wish you best of luck and hope to see some great designs from you today. Good luck.